Fantastic food, beautiful beaches, and delicious beer. All of the great things we're going to show you about Ventura, California. California's best secret beach town.
If you've been California dreaming of the perfect family vacation, you won't want to miss a trip to California's playground. Located 1.5 hours north of LA, this kid-friendly beach town has plenty of family-friendly activities, delicious restaurants, and adventures for all ages.
Cheers, everyone. We just made it to Made West Brewing Company, which might be the best kept secret brewery in all of California. It's right on the pier overlooking the beautiful beaches. So Made West, you come here obviously for the wonderful beers, but you also come for the great views. You get to see all of Ventura's coastline and you get to see the beautiful pier. Now, Ventura has plenty of breweries for you to choose from. So whenever you're here, you can be drinking beer, drinking wine, or just having great food, doing whatever you want to. So, cheers, guys.
Now we are at Topa Brewery. Now this place is a vibe. This brewery has an arcade. There's food trucks, there's plenty of room to run around, so that makes it super family friendly. But the best part is the beers are fuego. They are so good here. I'm having their sour. I highly recommend it. Now there are multiple locations of Topa. We are at the Colt Street location, and there's also one in downtown Ventura. Definitely check it out. It is a whole vibe here, guys. Cheers.
After some tasty beers, there's nothing better than some delicious food, and Ventura has plenty of options.
Rumfish y Vino is a vibe. There are great cocktails. They're always changing their cocktails, but the one I would recommend is the Elderflower Rosé Sparkler. The food is amazing, but overall, it's everything grouped together in this incredible outdoor setting. Makes me feel like I'm in Mykonos in the summer. Cheers.
All right, so we're at Immigrant Son, and now this is a place you need to come for breakfast. They have breakfast lasagna. It's out of this world, and the best coffee as well. They've got great cortados, flat whites, lattes, anything a coffee lover could want. It is run by an Italian immigrant, and they know exactly how to make some of the best food. And I can say that because Colette's Italian. So we're at Andrea's Seafood. This is the place you need to come to get their famous fish and chips. And what's amazing is you enjoy the fish and chips while you're right next to Ventura Harbor. The other thing that they're known for is their chowder. So this is a place, obviously, seafood restaurant. And what's cool is it is on the harbor, so there's a whole bunch of other restaurants and shops. So after this, probably gonna go get some ice cream. The last place I want to talk to you about is Frontside Cafe. Now, what's great about this place is it is known for its breakfast. Why is that? Well, it's run by some Australians, and Australians really know how to do coffee, number one, and breakfast, number two. Big on brekkie. They've got this amazing, look at this thing, brekkie sandwich, and then what did Australians bring to the world? Avocado toast. So if you're looking for either of those, gotta come to Frontside Cafe. Wow, I can't believe we're doing this. This obnoxious swan. This is hilarious. This is insane. I can't believe it. Who would have thought we'd be in a harbor on a swan? We are doing the most obnoxious thing possible. I didn't think I'd ever be doing this. We are in a paddle boat that looks exactly like a swan. How crazy is this?
This is hysterical, guys. We are in Ventura Harbor on a swan boat, just cruising, chilling. And I mean, we had our selection of a dragon boat, a swan boat, a duck boat. I mean, take
all
your
different
pick.
colors.
Yeah.
But this is a great way if you want to get out and see the harbor and get on the water and not need a captain's license or anything. This is a very simple way to come explore. And it's great because there's all these amazing little restaurants. There's ice cream, which we're definitely getting after this. Yes, but it is a perfect day. There's very little wind. The water is calm. And supposedly there are some seals that we might make it over there if this one will allow us to hang out long enough.
There are 267 days of sunshine in Ventura. We got one beautiful one. Oh, this is incredible. It's like 70 degrees, sunny, perfection on the water, right? We are staying at Waypoint Ventura, which has these amazing vintage trailers, and it's basically like a vintage trailer hotel. So let's show you around one of these amazing trailers. Okay, this is a 35-foot vintage trailer. This thing is huge. You have a queen size bed, plenty of seating. I mean, there's 2 couches in here. That's how big this place is. And a bathroom in the back. It's so big. Look at this full-size shower. This trailer has been upgraded. It has modern amenities like a microwave and a refrigerator, but let's go see what an authentic vintage trailer looks like right now.
And this is one of their authentic vintage trailers. Now take a look at this thing. It has been kept as authentic as possible. Look at this oven with this stovetop. Oh my God, this fridge. Looks like we're gonna have the milkman deliver the milk. And I just can't imagine, this was like, I don't know what they were thinking when they sold this. This is like a house on wheels, literally. And then come back here, there is a full-size bathtub, toilet, and sink, and then a bed. So if you're looking for a fun place to stay while in Ventura, Waypoint is a cool little stop. So what's really cool is a lot of these trailers are Spartan trailers, and these things were built back in the 50s and 60s. Spartan as a company originally was building airplanes up until World War II, and then needed to figure out what to do with all the manufacturing, so they decided to build these trailers. Now, these were very popular for people who at the time were moving all across the country looking for work. Spartan isn't around anymore, so you're not gonna see these trailers out on the roads. Waypoint has done a really good job of rehabilitating these trailers and bringing these historic timepieces back to life. So if you really want to know what it was like to stay in these historic beasts, you can do it here. This afternoon, we are at Ventura Botanical Gardens, which is a absolutely stunning location. This is a botanical gardens that is built into the side of a mountain. You can see behind us just how far it extends. All the flowers are in bloom right now.
Oh my gosh, this place is so beautiful. And I think the unique parts about it are that we have unparalleled views of the Pacific Ocean, and it's built into a mountain. But this place is over 100 acres large. So there's no way we're gonna see it all, but we are gonna try our best because Scotland loves flowers and this place is her dream.
For summer is for falling in love.
Well, good morning. We are at Humble Maker Coffee Company, and this is the place to come if you're a coffee snob like the two of us are.
Yes, now we got cortados and flat whites, and they have all sorts of amazing espresso drinks to start your day off right. Plus they have some great breakfast sandwiches.
This sandwich, I have to talk about it. Initially I thought it was just this like super bready sandwich, but the bread is like this rich, delicate croissant bread. It's one of the best breakfast sandwiches I've ever had.
And it's all set in this beautiful outdoor garden space. Highly recommend.
Great little spot for Scotland to enjoy her breakfast, right?
Summer is for falling